Imagine holding $5 in your hands. It might not seem like much, but what if I told you that with the right strategy, you could turn that into $5,000 by the end of 25? Let's dive into a beginner's investing plan that can help you achieve just that. First, you need to build an emergency fund. This is your safety net, a cushion that protects you from unexpected expenses. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. By setting aside this money, you're safeguarding your investments from any financial surprises. Remember, protecting your downside is just as important as growing your wealth. Next, let's talk about investing in ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio without having to pick individual stocks. Think of them as a basket filled with various companies. When you invest in an ETF, you're buying a piece of that basket, which typically includes stocks from different sectors. This means steady growth potential with lower risk. Look for ETFs that track major indices or focus on sectors you believe will thrive in the coming years. Now, let's add some fuel to your investments with a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering a service, extra income can significantly boost your investment power. Use this additional cash flow to contribute more to your investment accounts. The more you invest, the faster your money can grow. Once you start seeing profits, reinvest them. This is where the magic of compounding comes into play. Instead of cashing out your gains, put them back into your investments. Imagine your profits as seeds. When you reinvest, those seeds grow into trees, producing even more fruit. Over time, this compounding effect can lead to exponential growth in your portfolio. Finally, be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time for your investments to grow and for compounding to work its magic. Picture a futuristic hourglass where every grain of sand represents your money working for you. The longer you let it sit, the more it multiplies. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't let short-term market fluctuations derail your plans. So, there you have it. With a solid emergency fund, strategic investments in ETFs, a side hustle to boost your income, reinvesting your profits, and a healthy dose of patience, turning $500 into $5,000 is not just a dream. It's a realistic goal. Your journey starts today.